Mix vinegar with dish liquid. You'll be amazed by the results. Seriously, stop scrolling and do not look away from this screen, because you are about to see a bathroom life hack that will completely change how you maintain your home. If you are tired of wasting your time and money on scrubbing, watch this video until the very end because I am exposing the ultimate shortcut. Let's make this step by step. So grab your ingredients and follow along closely. First, grab a clean measuring cup, take your white vinegar, and slowly pour it in until you hit exactly the 200 milliliters mark. Take your time to get it precise. Next, get your concentrated dish liquid. You're going to squeeze a very generous, heavy amount right into that vinegar. Watch it sink to the bottom. To finish the formula, grab your favorite fabric softener. Choose one that smells incredible and add a solid, steady splash right on top. Now grab a spoon or a whisk and let's blend this together. You want to stir slowly at first, then mix it thoroughly for a good 15 to 20 seconds. We need to make sure the thick dish liquid and the liquid vinegar fully bind into one uniform, powerful cleaning solution. Once it's completely smooth and blended, take your time and slowly transfer the entire mixture into a simple, everyday plastic bottle. Go steady so you don't spill a drop. Now take a close look at this next step because the placement is everything. Take that simple plastic bottle and grab a small pin or needle. Carefully poke just 2 or 3 tiny pinholes right near the very bottom of the bottle. If you make them too big, it will leak out too fast, so keep them small. Once that's done, open up your toilet tank and place the bottle directly inside, making sure it sits completely flat and securely upright so it doesn't tip over. By setting it up exactly like this, you are building an ingenious, slow-release cleaning system. Every single time you press that flush handle, the natural water pressure forces a perfectly metered, powerful dose of our mixture straight out into the bowl. No rushing, no mess, just automatic cleaning. Let's break down exactly why this works so well, starting with the 200 milliliters of white vinegar. Vinegar is a natural, highly acidic powerhouse. The acetic acid in the vinegar acts as a continuous, aggressive descaler. It actively attacks and dissolves stubborn hard water stains, calcium buildup, and limescale. It prevents that ugly, dark mineral ring from ever forming around your water line. And it sanitizes the porcelain with zero physical effort from you. Next is the dish liquid. While vinegar dissolves minerals, dish liquid is a surfactant designed to tackle grime and slick surfaces. It cuts right through any organic residue and creates an invisible, slippery barrier over the entire porcelain bowl. This means absolutely nothing can stick to the sides of your toilet. It keeps the bowl gleaming, ensures a flawless rinse with every flush, and stops stains before they even have a chance to bond to the surface. But how does this smell so incredibly good? That is the magic of the fabric softener. While the vinegar and dish liquid do the heavy cleaning, the fabric softener completely neutralizes that sour vinegar scent. The moment you flush, a massive wave of fresh laundry fragrance explodes into the entire room, acting as an automatic air freshener that resets every single time. Try this right now and see the magic for yourself. Drop a comment below, and let's see where everyone is watching from today. I post 2 videos every single day to make your life easier, so make sure to follow along, and I will see you in the next video.